What's the meaning of aspen? Aspen. Aspen.
Aspen. Aspen. Aspen refers to both a type of tree in a city in Colorado, USA where these trees are prevalent. The aspen tree is characterized by its smooth white bark, small round leaves that flutter in the wind, and its ability to grow in clonal colonies. In popular culture, the rustling of aspen leaves is often portrayed as a soothing and peaceful sound. Aspen, Colorado is a popular tourist destination known for its ski resorts, hiking trails, and natural beauty. Overall, aspen represents a symbol of nature's beauty and resilience.